Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to multiply decimals using your base 10 blocks. As you can tell, we're going to be multiplying 2 and 4/10 times 2 and 3/10. By looking at our key, you can see that 1 flat equals 1 rod equals 1/10, and 1 unit equals 1/100th. We're going to start off by building 2 and 4/10. So we're going to get out 2 flats, and then we're going to add 4 rods. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4/10. Next, we're going to build 2 and 3/10. We're going to be going down, so we already have 1, so we need to add 1 more to make 2. And then we need to add 3/10. So we're going to get 3 rods and add them to the bottom, like this. Our next step is to fill in the rectangular array. That means fill in this empty space right here. So first, we're going to take this 1 and fill it in right here. Some of you might be wondering, well, how do I know that's the right thing to use? We know this because 2 times 2 equals 4, and we now have 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're going to add 4 rods, or 4/10, to make this side even. And then we're going to add 3 more tenths to the bottom to make this side even as well. Now we just have this one empty rectangle. So we're going to take our hundredths, or our unit blocks, and we're going to fill in this rectangle. So there's 4. We need 2, 3, 4, and then 4 more. And there we go. We have a completed rectangular array. So next, we're going to take it apart and separate the blocks into groups. So we're going to put our ones together, our tenths together, and our hundredths together. Now when you look at this, you might see that we have a large number of tenths and a large number of hundredths. So what we can do is take out 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. 10. And we know from learning our tens units that 10 tenths is equal to 1 whole. You can tell by holding them side by side. So we're going to bring in this 1 whole, and we're going to take out these tenths. So now we have 4/10 left. So we don't have enough to replace anything, so we're just going to leave them out. Next we have our hundredths. And if we count these out, we'll know that we have 12. So we're going to take out 10. There we go. And just like before, from learning our tens units, we know that we can replace 1/10 if we have 10 hundredths. So we're going to bring in our 1/10 and take out our 10 hundredths. And then we're going to count these out, so we know that we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones, and then 5 tenths and 2 hundredths. So that gives us our answer of, well, 5 and 52 hundredths.